What past recession tells us about the housing market? When we look at history, we can learn from it. We know that 2 in 3 economists are forecasting a recession for 2023. You may be wondering what a recession could mean for the housing market. Here's a look at the historical data to show what happened in real estate during the previous recessions. A recession doesn't mean falling home prices, as the graph below illustrates. Looking at the recession going back to 1980, we can see that the home prices have appreciated in 4 of the last 6 recessions. So, when the economy slows down, it doesn't mean that home values will always fall. Most people remember the housing crisis of 2008. Looking at the graph, that is the 2 red bars, the largest of them all. And think of another recession that would repeat of what happened back then. But today's housing market isn't about to crash because the markets are completely different. The foundation of them are completely different. According to experts, home prices will vary by market and may go up or down depending on the geographical location. But the average for the 2023 forecast shows prices will remain neutral across the nation. So we don't expect them to go back to 2008 prices. A recession means falling mortgage rates? Researchers also helps to see that the impact of a recession and the finance of a home. As the graph below shows, historically each time the economy slows down, mortgage rates decrease. Over the past 5 recessions, mortgage rates have fallen an average of 1.8% from the peak. And in many cases, they continue to fall after when the recession is technically over. In 2023, market experts say the mortgage rates will likely become stable from what we saw last year. That's because mortgage rates tend to respond to inflation, and we are seeing that the inflation is cooling down a little bit. The big takeaway is that you don't need to fear the word recession when it comes to housing. In fact, experts say the recession would be mild and the housing market will play a big role in the economic rebound. 8 out of 10 economists anticipate that the recession will last about 12 months. And again, we're expecting it to be mild and short. While history doesn't always repeat itself, we can always learn from it. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home this year, you can make the best decision by working with a trusted real estate agent. That way, your expert can advise you on what's happening in your housing market and what it means for you and your home ownership goals.